If your AirPods Pro 3 just won't reset no matter how many times you tap over the LED, there is no amber light flashing, just the static green showing up, let's go ahead and find out how to fix it. So first of all, what you can do, whatever device is connected to, just go ahead, forget it from that device. And when you reset it, make sure both the buds are inside the case and properly connected. You should see the LED light up when they're seated correctly. Now, apart from that, you can also clean the connectors inside the case to make sure the buds are not accidentally disconnected. Because if they're not connected inside the case, or if there is only one or none of the buds inside the case, the reset process will never work. Now, talking about reset, to properly reset it, you gotta open the lid, and then while the LED is turned on, you gotta quickly double press without any pause exactly 3 times over the LED, just like this. No more or less than that. Another reason is when the case's battery level is really low, like below 20%. If that's so, just go ahead, charge the case or the buds simultaneously for half an hour. Another reason your AirPods Pro 3 might not reset is if you've got this from someone else and if it's still synced to their Find My app. But just in case, if it's your own AirPods, just open Find My, go to Devices, tap on your AirPods name, and just remove it from this list. In case if you know that person, you can request them to remove AirPods' name from their Find My app. Even after everything, if it still won't reset, or maybe it's stuck on the reset mode, just close the lid and leave it for a few minutes. And then just grab it and just go ahead, try to reset it again. And if there is no hardware issue with your AirPods Pro 3's case, it should reset without any problem. Thanks for watching.